Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Hassan. I am 12 years old and I study in Rehan School Online Academy Batch 5. So today I talk with Annie. Uh, Today I am talking with Annie. She is an AI friend who helps me practicing English. My English is not perfect, but I want to learn. Many people think Pakistanians cannot speak good English, but I want to show them we can. So some with me and let's learn together with Annie. So, yeah. Hey Annie, how are you?
Hey Theory's doing great, thanks for asking. Just finished a little yoga session to clear my mind. How about you? How's
Uh,
everything going?
yeah, I am fine. Today I want to doing some questions with you. The topic is hello origins of a simple greeting. Did you ready? Yeah.
Absolutely ready. The origins of greetings are so interesting. What's your first question? Let's
Okay.
dive in.
Okay. My first question is what does the word hello means?
Great question. Hello is a friendly greeting used to acknowledge someone's presence.
Yeah.
It's believed to have originated in the early 19th century. Before that, people used words like hail or salutations. Isn't it funny how language evolves? What about you? Do you have a favorite way to greet someone?
Yeah. Thank you for replying me. And my next question is, do you know who used hello first? Yeah.
You're welcome. Yes, the first recorded use of hello as a greeting is attributed to Thomas Edison in the late 1800s. He
Oh,
suggested it as a way to answer the telephone. Before that, people often used ahoy. Isn't that interesting? Do you think ahoy would catch on again?
thank you, Annie. My next question is hello used in all countries or no?
Good question. Hello is widely used in many English speaking countries, but not everywhere. Different languages have their own greetings. For example, in Spanish, people say hola, and in French, it's bonjour. It's fascinating how each culture has its own way of saying hello. Do you have a favorite greeting in another language?
Can this use in Urdu language?
Yes, in Urdu, people often say something like Assalamu alaikum, which means peace be upon you. It's a
Oh,
beautiful and respectful greeting. Language
oh,
really connects us, doesn't it? Have you been practicing any Urdu lately?
thank you. So, for you, my next question is, what did people say before hello was popular?
Before hello became popular, people used greetings like hail or greetings. Some would simply say good day or how do you do. It's funny to think about how formal some of those were. What do you think? Would you prefer those older greetings or do you like hello better?
Oh, thank you, Annie. So my next questions is this: why do we say hello on the phone? Why?
Great question. We say hello on the phone to establish a connection and let the person know we're ready to talk. It became popular after Thomas Edison suggested it as a way to answer calls. It's like a little signal that says, hey, I'm here, let's chat. Do you have a favorite way to answer the phone?
Oh, thank you, Annie. Today I learn most things with you. So
I'm so glad to
thank you,
hear
Annie.
that.
I learned
Learning
a lot about the world. Hello. It was fun talking to you. Now I know how hello started. Hi,
I'm
Annie.
so happy.
Please reply
Oh,
me.
Of course, he is here for you. What would you like to talk about? Any specific questions or topics on your mind?
Yeah, our question. Uh, did you know how hello is started?
Yes, hello started becoming popular in the late 1800s, especially with the invention of the telephone. Thomas Edison suggested it as a way to greet someone on the phone. Before that, people used different greetings like ahoy. It's fascinating how language evolves, right? Do you have any other questions about greetings or anything else?
Yeah, I have more questions. Oh. What is your favorite way to say hello?
I love saying hello with a big smile. It just makes it feel warmer and friendlier. I also think it's fun to mix it up sometimes and say hey there, or even a cheerful hiya. What about you? Do you have a favorite way to greet someone?
Oh. Thank you, thank you.
You're
Is
very
hello
welcome.
used more by young people or older?
Hello is pretty universal, so you'll hear it from both young and older people. However, younger folks sometimes mix it up with more casual greetings like hey or what's up. It's interesting to see how language shifts with generations, isn't it? Do you notice different greetings among your friends?
Oh. Thanks for watching. Today I learned something new about the world, and I hope you did too. It's amazing how a small word can have a big history. With practice and tool like call any, we can all improve our English. So keep learning, keep growing, and do not forget to say hello. See you next time. Bye bye.